Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can learn all the names of symbols and characters on the Samsung keyboard. So here, let's say if you want to learn this particular character right here.
Caret, asterisk.
So the way we can learn of all the different symbols on your
White spade suit.
keyboard is to turn on read characters aloud. So to do that, first swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on general management, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on swipe, touch and feedback, then tap on speak keyboard input aloud, and in here you can select characters or characters in Word. And then make sure this option is switch on, so speak keyboard input aloud. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now we go and open up the keyboard, and on the keyboard you can open up the symbol page, and then you can tap on each of the characters to learn about the name of that character.
Plus sign, multiplication sign, division sign, pound, at, exclamation mark, $sign, percent. Caret, ampersand, asterisk, left paren, right paren, left square bracket, right square bracket, greater than symbol, less than symbol, underscore, slash, equal sign, division sign, multiplication sign, plus sign, dash, apostrophe. Symbols, quote, colon, semicolon, comma, question mark, $sign, pound, at, ellipsis, apostrophe, symbols, grave accent, tilde, backslash, vertical line, left curly bracket, right curly bracket, euro, pound currency sign, yen, one currency sign, white club suit, white diamond, white heart, white spade suit, black square, black circle, white circle, bullet, degree sign, white star, small black square, currency sign, left double angle bracket, right double angle bracket, inverted exclamation mark, inverted question mark.
And that's it. So you can easily learn all the name of all these symbols and characters by turning on the speak input aloud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.